even for advertisers and their agencies, very much they are leaning into first party data. I'll give you kind of a example, right? Let's say you are a company that sells, baby supplies, and you have this awesome partner that's a third party identity graph or third party, data asset. And they say, hey, we're going to get you an audience or a list of like physical, digital, PII audience of people. It's not your data because we're not selling it, but you can activate against this data. These are people that just had a baby, right? And you're a company that sells baby supplies. So great fit. They're theoretically in market for your product. So you're hopeful that this list will work, and you kind of want to see what traffic maybe it drives your website. Maybe it's a digital activation. Yes, it's not a high match rate. Maybe you're only able to reach 30 to 40% of them, but fine. It's a digital activation. And you maybe even send mail to them, target them with digital display ads. But all this data, since you can't really buy data anymore, it's essentially data that you're renting, right? You want it to convert. You're hoping that this magical list of people that just had a baby, we hope that they convert and they buy something from you, right? Otherwise, it becomes very expensive because you kind of rented this list. You can't buy it. And after you rented this list from the third-party data company, you want to make sure that you are being able to convert it. You really want to ideally own that data, right? But that doesn't always happen. And I think every brand and agency is like, the conversion rate is low. We're going to extract more out of this audience. We're only seeing 2% of that audience convert and actually buy something. How do we get more lift out of that? So that's a big challenge. One thing that we find valuable, and something that obviously we help with as well, is to help this baby company take all those programmatic audiences and turn them into first party households, right? And if you can, as a baby supply company, if you can turn them into first party households, then you get to keep that first party data, right? Maybe some of those people will convert now, right? Maybe you're not going to get that much more than 2 to 3%, but now you're not renting it, right? Just like they say, it's better to buy than rent. It's not renting anymore. You have those, you get to own those audiences. Some of them may convert now, and some of them may convert later.